Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Uh, Welcome back from weekend holiday. This is IRE class 4. Today we want us to learn Hadith. Under Hadith, we have a subtopic called Muslims are brothers. As you know, class, Muslims all over this world are brothers and sisters wherever they are. And they became brothers in the bond of Kalimatullah ilaha illallah. The Muslim Chinese, the Muslim Japanese, the Muslim Africans, and the Muslim Arabs, all of them are brothers. And they became brothers in the bond of Kalima, and that is Shahada. So, let us try to understand why Muslims are brothers. The Prophet ﷺ said, a Muslim is a brother to another Muslim. How? He says that a Muslim does not oppress him or nor desert him in times of need and difficulties. In this point, you should not oppress or a Muslim should not oppress and desert to another Muslim in times of need and difficulties. Also, the Prophet said, he who remains in the service of his brothers, Allah will remain his service too. So the Prophet ﷺ said, whoever respect or help a Muslim or remain the service of his brothers, Allah will remain his service. The Prophet also said, he who removed a hardship from a Muslim, Allah will remove from him in difficulties in days of Qiyamah. In days of Qiyamah. He who remove a hardship from a Muslim, Allah will remove from him difficulties in the day of Qiyamah. So if you help a Muslim who is needy or who is in difficulties, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will also help you in the day of Qiyamah. The Prophet also said, he who give a shelter to another Muslim, Allah will give him a shelter in the day of Qiyamah. So the Prophet said, whoever give a Muslim a place to sleep or a place to spend, or help him to protect him from the bad weather, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will shelter him in the day of Qiyamah also. So let us see the next point, and then we will also see how Muslims are brother also. So in this point, a Muslim does not harm another Muslim. The Prophet ﷺ says that. The Prophet says a Muslim does not harm another Muslim. How? The Prophet ﷺ does not want us to do what? The Prophet ﷺ does not want us to spoil the name and respect of other Muslims. So the Prophet ﷺ wants us to respect and to also see and respect the dignity of other Muslims. The Prophet ﷺ also does not want us to spoil the Prophet of other Muslims. The Prophet also does not want us to spoil the blood of other Muslims. The Prophet also does not want us to hold one another in a contempt. The Prophet also does not want us to lie to one another. The Prophet also does not want us to fail one another. The Prophet also does not want us to fight one another. So that is how Muslim does not harm in another Muslim. In that few remarks, I hope as you are listening, you will also write. Inshallah ta'ala, I will also give you some assignment after you listen and watch in these lessons. In that few remarks, I wish you all the best. See you next time. Assalamu alaikum.